I've still got statements from 5 banks I haven't downloaded, over 40 payment slips, and the cash flow report is due tomorrow. Looks like another all-nighter.
Relax, I'm your corporate online banking agent. Leave the banking stuff to me.
You can really handle all that.
One command, and I fire up RPA, auto-log into banks, bulk download statements, sort and file everything by the root.
That's so smart.
With AI-powered RPA, it's not just about clicking buttons. Balance analysis, anomaly alerts, trend insights. That's just my daily routine.
What about the analysis report?
Already done. Oh, and I found 3 opportunities to optimize your cash flow.
Finally, I can leave work on time.